Man, picture this, a beat-up 90s Corolla that's outrun, outlasted, and downright embarrassed half the shiny new rides clogging up the highways today. Yeah, you heard that, right? This old warrior's got more soul in its rusty fenders than your average 2025 electric poser. But here's the gut punch. By the end of this ride, I'll spill the one secret tweak that turns this relic into a time-traveling beast. Stick around, or forever wonder why your wallet's bleeding for less thrill. Cut 2, host sliding into the driver's seat, engine firing up with that classic four-banger growl. Camera pans over faded paint, cracked dash pure nostalgia. Hey gearheads, welcome back to the barn where we ditch the showroom fluff for the real grease under nails truth. If you're new here, this is where we resurrect forgotten iron, swap war stories from the drag strip, and prove that not every horsepower chase ends in a cul-de-sac of computers and keyless entry. I'm your co-pilot on these late-night laps, and today, we're tearing into why this 96 Corolla, the one my old man handed down after it hauled us cross-country on fumes and prayers, still smokes most 2025. Whips in reliability, fun, and that indefinable spark that makes you grin like a kid stealing cookies. Let's roll back the odometer a bit. It's 96, gas is cheap as dirt, and Toyota drops this Corolla like a mic at a rap battle. Simple, tough, and engineered for folks who actually drive, not just Instagram their commute. Under the hood, that 1.8-liter beast, 115 horses on a good day, backed by a 5-speed manual that shifts like butter because, hell, back then they built M to last, not to look pretty on a spec sheet. No turbo lag, no battery packs, whining for a charge, just pure, linear shove that hits you right in the chest. I remember the first time I redlined it on a back road, wind howling through the vents, radio blasting Springsteen. Felt invincible. Fast forward to now, this thing's got 280,000 miles, and it starts colder than your ex's shoulder. Compare that to the average 2025 crossover loaded with ADAS nannies that beep at shadows, sipping electrons like they're going out of style, and poised to nickel and dime you at the dealer every oil change. Coincidence? Nah, it's evolution gone sideways. Quick cut to side-by-side clips. Corolla carving corners on twisty asphalt versus a generic 2025 SUV lumbering through traffic. Beeps and chimes overlaying C. Here's the heart of it, this Corolla's no tech overlord, but that's its superpower. Now, let's talk history, 'cause cars ain't just metal, they're stories on wheels. The Corolla line, born in '67 as Japan's answer to the Beetle, it became the best-seller ever by outlasting wars, recessions, and boy bands. By the 90s, it was the everyman's escape pod taxi fleets in Tokyo racked up 1,000,000 miles without flinching, 'cause Toyota obsessed over the little stuff. Timing chains over belts, so no midnight strandings, oil pumps that sip, not guzzle, and rust-proofing that laughs at salt belts. Off-the-wall nugget. Did you know the 90s models snuck in variable valve timing before it was cool? Not the full VVTi glory of later years, but enough to nudge efficiency without choking the soul. My 96 sips, 35 mpg highway, no hybrid voodoo required beats the pants off a 2025 compact that's lucky to hit 30, loaded with gadgets. But don't get me wrong, new rides got their charms. That instant EV torque, addictive, like chugging espresso. Infotainment that streams your Spotify scenes. Handy for long hauls. Yet, here's the rub. Complexity's the killer. Your 2025 daily. Sensors everywhere. Software updates via USB like it's your damn phone. One glitch, and you're sidelined. Shelling out for a diag scan that costs more than a carb rebuild. This Corolla, if it hiccups, I grab a wrench, not an app. Last winter, carb iced up in a blizzard 5 minutes with a hairdryer from the missus, and we're golden. Tales from the road. Hauled a 72 van frame home on a trailer once, towed like a champ without overheating. Modern tow rigs. They'd whine about thermal events and demand a coupon. It's that underdog grit, the kind that powered moonshine runners in the Appalachians or desert racers in Baja. Cars like this remind us driving's about freedom, not firmware. Diving deeper, let's geek on the intangibles. Sound, that inline for hum builds like a symphony, not the synthesized whoosh of electric anonymity. Smell, hot rubber, faint oil perfume to us wrench turners, and value. I bought this steel for $800, poured in $2,000 over years for mods that matter. Total investment. Less than a down payment on a 2025 lease. Sharp take. In a world chasing autonomy levels and zero emissions, this Corolla's the rebel yell for analog joy. Surprise spark. Ever notice how these old Toyotas idle smoother than a V8? It's the balanced shaft magic, spinning chaos into silk. Feels alive, responsive, like the car's whispering secrets only you get. Build to the reveal. Slow-mo engine close-up. Host grinning Alright, you hung in there. Time for the gut punch secret. See this unassuming valve cover. Underneath a simple PCV tweak, upgraded baffle, and fresh hose. $20 at the auto parts joint. Stops oil vapors from gunking the intake. Keeps compression sky high. and lets it rev freer than a teenager on prom night. One swap, and suddenly it's pulling 0 to 60 in under 10. Lapping modern econo boxes on back. That's the gearhead gospel. It's not the miles. It's the maintenance that murders or immortalizes. So, as the sun dips and this Corolla cools its heels, ask yourself, in a garage full of tomorrow's promises, is there room for yesterday's fire? That raw connection, the kind that doesn't need a subscription. Hit the road, find your own relic, and feel it. If this stirred the oil in your veins, drop a comment. What's your unbreakable ride? Smash like if you're team analog. Subscribe for more garage confessions. Share with a buddy nursing a lemon. Drive safe, dream dirty. See you on the blacktop.